प्रोमो देखो थालेरी का
आ गया क्या?
तो आया ना भाई, कभी
आया ना,
चेन्नई में रिलीज हो गया।
अच्छा है। भाई अच्छा है, बोलना ही पड़ेगा। अच्छा मैच में
One shot, he's taking it like six shots with the double, and he's so look in this cam. Me, you want to go. Yeah, so one with Mumbai Leon. Huh? एक और Yeah, come on. Done.
Guys, you want one?
Sure.
Sir, look here.
हमें फोटो काढा घरात ऊपर घे
Sir, look here. Yeah.
सर आपको राइट में
Sir, look here. Sir. Yeah. Got it, guys? Kunal, you want one picture in here? Come, no? Is you there? Stand here.
मेरा फोटो
All in
नॉनस्टॉप
Look here, sir. Sir, one more.
सही हो रुक जाओ
Did you actually put this together? Did you put this together? Let's put the TPL in front.
Everything is made by us.
Thank you so much for this. Comment center. Kunal, come now. Awesome. This is so sweet. There it is. Couldn't leave you out. Come on in, please come.
now just you sir and you sir in the center and you go
You know what? We should take that inside. Maybe one of the boys can take it inside. Come.
sir in the center and you guys on the right yeah हाँ शॉट के ना गिम्बल यहाँ so back camera gimbal
Let's give that thumbs up.
yeah sir look here
Thank you. Got it? Super. Super.
सर सबसे पहले तो कांग्रेचुलेशन
Thank you.
शुरुआत हो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है सर इस तरह गेम को इस तरह से बड़े लेवल पर आप जो है मुंबई के अगर आप बता सकें आज का ये कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है आपको
especially after the 2020 season, where we've all been going through severe lockdowns and dealing with the corona pandemic. I am very proud of Kunal and Mrunal and the whole TPL League for coming through for season 3. I feel that we still got a lot of work to do to get past the corona pandemic, but as the vaccines are out and as people are getting their vaccinations done, I feel that towards the end of the year, season 3 is looking really good. I'm very excited for season 3 for TPL because not only are we coming back after a corona pandemic and getting back into playing sport, cricket has started again, Grand Slams have started again, football has started again. So now to have TPL and having a league coming back towards the end of the 2021 season is very exciting. Also, that being said, we've not rested. We have not just come back and created what we had in season 2, but we've enhanced it. And for TPL, in season 3, we are taking it international as well. We've got international players coming to play. You're going to see later in the auction today. We've got a few international players that are going to be auctioned off to the teams. So I'm really proud of the Tennis Premier League for not only weathering the storm of a global pandemic, but also enhancing for season 3. So I'm looking forward to it. And as we go inside and we get the auction on the way, I think you're going to have a few exciting things in store. तो मैं मुंबई लियोनामी का मेंटोर हूँ और इस टीम के लिए हमारा जो ओनर है श्याम पटेल काफ़ी एक्साइटेड है एंड इन दैट एज अ co-owner of the team we are very excited to choose the best team. For me the pressure is on because regardless of having won 18 Grand Slams or having gotten an Olympic medal, I haven't won the TPL League yet. So that's something that the boys and the team keeps reminding me of. So I'm looking forward to picking a great team this year and hopefully leading by example. Also being the Mumbai team, we've got a lot of pressure on us because the Mumbai Indians have won the Cricket League. You've got the Mumbai FC, they've won the FC Mumbai have won the Football League. So now the Mumbai Lion is trying to do a three-peat so we can keep all the trophies in our hometown.
So जैसे कि कोरोना वायरस को मद्देनजर रखते हुए क्रिकेट में बायो बबल का रूल इस्तेमाल हुआ है, क्या टीपीएल में भी बायो बबल का रूल इस्तेमाल होगा?
काफ़ी टाइम बाकी है टीपीएल के लिए. It will be at the end of the year. मगर जो जैसा आईपीएल शुरू होने वाले बायो बबल में या जैसा आईएसएल था बायो बबल में या जैसा ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन ग्रैंड स्लैम था बायो बबल में, तो if we have to do that as well, I'm sure we'll take those precautions because right now sport and especially tennis is a great vehicle to bring the community together. One of the big things that we stand for in the Tennis Premier League is to bring the community together. That is why we have wheelchair tennis. That is why we have under 18 tennis. That is why we have both the men and the women coming together, and we create an ecosystem where men and women come together to play for equal prize money, equal rights. And tennis is the only sport in the world that has that equality, and I'm very proud to say that. At the TPL, what we do is to bring the community together. So our matches are being played in the evenings, where people go to work from 9 to 5, and when they're done work, they come out and they support the league. In that being said, when the time comes, when we get closer to the matches, if we have to play in a bio bubble, then we will do so. But I'm very confident that we will have the vaccination administered by then and that we can get back to normal life before the Tennis Premier League starts.
And sir, एक आखिरी सवाल जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि मेरे सारे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन के ऊपर बायोपिक बन रही है कुछ
Thank you, sir. Anything else? और कुछ? Thank you, Baba. अंदर मिलते हैं ना? Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Pali from Tea Culture World.
Pleasure to meet you. How are you?
Blind Canvas Company to make brand associations with.
Dr. Pleasure to meet you.
She's going to be very soon coming up on the Mumbai League team.
Is that right? What fun.
She drives Kinvolks as a brand. This year's trophy is designed by Shanta.
I'm sure we must have not seen in the Wimbledon as well.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you.
They're all good.
क्योंकि आई थिंक ये बहुत मज़ेदार काम हो रहा है और इंडिया में अनफॉर्चुनेटली सिर्फ क्रिकेट के अलावा किसी और गेम को उतना महत्व नहीं दिया जाता है। मैं खुद क्योंकि एक टेनिस में पहले क्रिकेट भी प्लेयर रहा हूँ और अब टेनिस खेलता हूँ कई सालों से, तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट स्पोर्ट्स है और इस तरह की टेनिस प्रीमियर लीग को सपोर्ट करना, बढ़ावा देना, जिससे कि यंगस्टर्स जो हैं इस गेम को लें, इसको अपना प्रोफेशन बनाएं। जैसे हमारे यहाँ लिएंडर पेस और महेश भूपति, इन दो लोगों ने जिस तरीके से नाम कमाया है, सानिया ने कमाया है, सो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही नेक काम हो रहा है टेनिस प्रीमियर लीग।
ढेरों सारी टीम ऐसे यहाँ पर मुंबई, दिल्ली, हैदराबाद, कौन सी टीम को आप सपोर्ट करते हैं?
मैं तो सारी टीम्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आया हूँ यहाँ। जो अच्छा खेलेगा वो जीतेगा।
एंड सर यूनिटी नंबर की जो डायरेक्टर एज ए डायरेक्टर की अगर मैं बात करूँ सो एज ए स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन की आने वाले दिनों में टेनिस या क्रिकेट या बैडमिंटन आप सोच रहे हैं कि इस टीम के लिए ऐसा कुछ
नहीं, मैं तो नहीं सोच रहा हूँ, पर अभी सानिया की साइना नेहवाल की फिल्म जो अमोल गुप्ता ने की है, मैं उसको आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट, क्योंकि मेरे फेवरेट डायरेक्टर हैं अमोल। और फिर मुझे लगता है कि लिएंडर और महेश के ऊपर भी फिल्म बननी चाहिए ज़रूर। अगर वो बनाने को मौका मिला तो ज़रूर बनाऊँगा मैं। और मैं पूछता हूँ उनसे कि क्या है। जी, थैंक यू। अभी तो दोबारा स्प्रेड हो रहा है, इतना सुन रहे हैं। अभी कार्तिक को हो गया, पॉजिटिव हो गया, रणबीर अभी हो के चुका है, तो आई थिंक वी ऑल हैव टू बी केयरफुल राइट नाउ, जब तक सबको वैक्सीनेशन नहीं हो जाता। थैंक यू।
Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. The team name is announcing and she's been called on the stage. The team name is announced and she's been called on the stage.
Okay. Now, Sonali ma'am,
They want one picture.
you want the team rapid? Will be nice. Okay. Let's put it back. Now media wise, so थोड़ा सा फाइन करना है। हाँ, I'm just taking a video.
1 second. But why am I without you? Guys, come.
Come, you met Mrinal, no?
Hi, of course.
No, not more closer.